Hi guys! Let me introduce myself. My name is Elsa Nadia Utami, and in here I would like to explain you about expository writing. Well guys, do you know what the expository writing is? So before further ado, let's dive in. For the first, I would like to show you what the definition of expository writing. Well guys, expository writing is a type of writing that used to describe, explain, give information, or to inform the others. Just for fake, expository writing is informational, so you can use expository writing for describe or explain something. But before that, you have to use logical flow when you planning expository writing. Actually, there are many kinds of expository writing as like descriptive definition, process sequential, comparative contrast, cause and effect, problem and solution, and the last classification. But today I will focus to explain you about problem and solution in expository writing. Problem solution is one of type of writing which start with problem and then propose with some solution. In composition, using problem and solution is one of method for analyzing and writing about a topic by identifying the problem and proposing the solution. And by the way, problem and solution is one of type of argument. Well, there are 4 components of problem solution. For the first is situation, second is problem, the third is solution, and then the last is evaluation. In the situation component, you will paraphrase the prompt of the paper in your own words. And then in problem component, you will state the problem or problems and explain them in your own words as well. In the solution components, you will state your solution or solution to the problems, and then you have to know how to the solution address the problem. The last, in evaluation components, you will list the main ideas in the paper and offer a prediction or recommendation based on your solution to the problems. After that, there are 2 points from the outline of the problem solution. For the first is think about the problem, and the second is brainstorm the solution. Then I will show you the problem solution loop. The first is identify the problem, the second is explore information and create ideas, the third is select the best ideas, and the fourth is test the ideas. Well, the last, you have to evaluate the result. There are 3 outlines that you have to write before you make problem solution text. The first is introduction, and then cause and effect, and the third is solution. Problem solution. To write problem solution, we have to identify the situation. The situation you are going to address in the problem solution paper should be started clearly in the prompt for the paper. You may be assigned a situation to address or be allowed to choose a situation for the paper. Often, the situation will address a social, cultural, or historical issues in society. The second is determine the key components of the paper. It means a problem solution paper will contain 4 main components. Those are the situation, the problem, the solution, and the evaluation. You should structure your paper so it's address these 4 components. For the third is use the block structure for the outline. The way you can outline the paper is use the block structure, where you list the problem first in the paper, follow the solution. You will use the following outline for the block structure. The first, introduction section, where you discuss the situation. The second is problem 1. The third is problem 2. The fourth is transition sentence or paragraphs. And then the fifth is solution 1. And the sixth is solution 2. And the last is conclusion section, where you discuss the evaluation. And the last, try change structure for the outline. Another possible structure you can use for a problem solution paper is the chain structure, where you discuss a problem followed by a solution,
to that problem. The chain structure used more often for short problem solution papers. You will use the following outline for the chain structure. The, the first is introduction section where you discuss the situation. The second is problem 1 and solution to problem 1. And then problem 2 and the solution to problem 2. And then the problem 3 and the solution to problem 3, and the last conclusion sections where you discuss the evaluation. I think that's all that you have to done for write good problem solution. And I will give you some examples. That is example of problem solution. We can see like in here it seems there has been a surge in 10 pregnancies this day. 10 pregnancies make it very difficult for young mothers to pursue their dreams and meet the demands an infant. Fortunately, most teen pregnancies can be easily prevented by using birth control. However, even birth control is not 100% effective. The most effective way to prevent teen pregnancies is abstinence, which is 100% effective. So, guys, we can see here this is the problems that pregnancies make it very difficult for young mothers to pursue this dream and meet the demands of an infant. But in here, most teen pregnancies can be easily prevented by using the control. This is a solution. So every problem have to has solution. That's all that I can explain to you about problem solution and expository writing. I do apologize if I have many mistakes. I'm Elsa Nadia Utami. See you.